China has set its sights on mass-producing humanoid robots by 2025. In a recent video showcasing AGI Bot, a Shanghai-based robotics company focusing on creating humanoid and delivery robots, we got a glimpse into the transformation happening behind the scenes. This company is dedicated to producing humanoid robots for use in homes and factories across the globe. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Let's get started. Recently, they've decided to accelerate their production, aiming to position themselves as leaders in this space. They've ramped up their robot production rate, scaling up the number of units manufactured. The demo revealed their work on module assembly, where actuators and essential components are meticulously tested to ensure efficiency. Their production targets are so ambitious that they could shape a future beyond what we can currently imagine. Interestingly, robots are even assisting in their factories, creating a symbiotic process that speeds up with each cycle. More robots mean higher productivity, leading to even more robots being built. The company has also invested in extensive testing facilities to confirm that actuators can endure various environmental demands, ensuring these robots are robust enough to operate in diverse conditions. These aren't just humanoid robots. They have other designs, including robots with wheels at their bases, highlighting the vast range of applications. Whether humanoid or wheeled, these robots have different roles and purposes, surprising many with their versatility. The demo at one point resembled something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's all very real, as this company actively pushes the boundaries of possibility. At their Gigafactory, it's astonishing to see the sheer number of robots being produced. One standout aspect is their large-scale data collection, where robots are tested in environments mimicking real-world conditions, such as different home layouts and lighting scenarios. By combining real-world and synthetic data, they're fine-tuning these robots to achieve high precision and efficiency, setting the stage for them to excel in their tasks. The company's AI-driven platform, DA, is key to scaling their production beyond 1 million units. Based on their performance in these demos, the robots carry out tasks effortlessly and smoothly, making their ambitious 2025 goals seem entirely achievable. It won't be long before humanoid robots become as commonplace as smartphones in homes. AGI Bot isn't the only player in the game. Other Chinese companies are also advancing in humanoid robotics. For instance, Zhang Robots, a subsidiary of an electric vehicle company, focuses on intelligent bionics. Established in 2016 in Shenzhen, Zhang has showcased impressive demos, proving the tech's reality despite initial skepticism from audiences who thought it was CGI. In one demo, we saw robots functioning seamlessly in factories, performing tasks with precision and working alongside human teams. This behind-the-scenes revolution in China could transform industries reliant on physical labor. For example, car manufacturers are already major adopters of these robots, and by 2030, fully automated car factories may become a reality, operated by teams of humanoid robots with minimal human oversight. The vision systems in these robots are remarkable, enabling them to carry out specific tasks with precision. This marks a pivotal moment where the futuristic timeline of humanoid robots being integral to economic growth becomes tangible. With over 7 billion yuan in funding and backing from industry giants like BYD and Huawei, the world is taking these advancements seriously. Of course, challenges remain, and some skeptics believe more scientific breakthroughs are needed before these robots reach their full potential. Yet, the progress made so far is undeniably exciting, hinting at a future where mass production of these robots becomes the norm. Companies around the globe will likely follow suit once the hurdles are overcome. As we delve into this new era of AI and robotics, it's clear that China is making significant strides. With the rapid development of robotic workforces, the future is arriving faster than expected. What do you think about this emerging reality? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.